Now we will see example 2.3. How can we solve example 2.3? So we can read the question. Figures 2.8a and b show the field lines of a positive and negative point charge respectively. Now some questions are given. The first question is, give the signs of the potential difference Vp minus Vq and Vb minus Va. So to solve such type of questions, first we have to get an idea how can we find the values of potentials at different points. So to solve this question, first we will find what are the values of potentials. So now here, this is a positive charge and this is the point P which is at a distance. Just we will give the value as Rp, and the Q point is at a distance RQ. So we have to find out first at which point the potential is greater. So we already know the equation V is equal to K Q by R. So we will find what is the value of Vp. Vp is equal to K Q by Rp. And what about VQ? VQ is equal to K Q by RQ. Now Vp and VQ, if you consider, you can see that it is inversely proportional with the R. But here, which quantity out of Rp and RQ, which one is greater? RQ is greater than Rp, which implies, as it is inversely proportional, it implies that VQ is less than Vp. Okay, so if the question is asking for what is the symbol of sign of VQ minus Vp, then it will be positive. And if the question asks you as what is the symbol of Vp minus Vq, then it will be negative. Now the same way, if the source charge is a negative charge, then how these quantities will change? So here also the 2 points A and B, the distance to A we will put as Ra, and the distance to B we will put it as Rb. Now again, what is the value of Va? Va is nothing, K minus Q by Ra, which is equal to minus KQ by Ra. And what about Vb? Vb is equal to minus KQ by Rb. Now if Ra and Rb, if you consider, which one is greater? Rb is greater than Ra. So Ra is greater than Rb is greater than Ra. Therefore, the values of, which implies that here also it is the V and R are inversely proportional. So this implies that the value of Va is greater than the value of Vb. But here the problem is it is already negative. So Va is greater than Vb means the value of Va is more negative than the value of Vb, which implies that if you consider the signs between Va and Vb, so if you consider Va minus Vb, Va is more negative, Vb is less negative, which means that Va minus Vb we will get negative, and Vb minus Va means it is equal to positive. Now here, if we want to find the potential energy difference, so potential energy and potential, we know that it is equal to, potential energy is equal to charge into potential. So in our second question it is asked, give the sign of the potential energy difference of a small negative charge between the points Q and P. So how we will solve if the question is asked? For any question we can solve it. So when the charge is a negative charge, or first we will consider if the charge is a positive charge. if the charge is a positive charge, then when you multiply VQ and VP with that charge, then you will get UQ. So you will consider if the charge is positive. First case, if the charge is positive, then the same equations we will get, that is UQ will be greater, UP will be lesser, so you will get it is positive. And if the charge is negative, then with that negative you are multiplying VQ, then you are getting UQ, which means that if the charge is negative, this is a more negative, this will be less negative, which means that UQ minus UP will be negative. And it's reverse, UP minus UQ means it will be positive. Now the same way here also, for if the Q charge is a positive charge is considered, then the sign of the potential energy difference. So here VA minus VB is negative. So if for a positive charge, UA minus UB will be negative. But if you are considering the charge is a negative charge, then UA minus UB if you take, then UA is a less negative, UB is a more negative, so you will get it as a positive.